The Attendance tab is where you update the team building huddle meeting as well as attendance for both student instructional sessions and family workshops. Choose either instructional time or family workshops, then filter by classroom and select the week for the attendance. Click the Take Attendance button to make the table editable. To update attendance for each individual student, use the drop-down to choose the attendance option for each student. To update the attendance for all of your students at once, use the checkbox at the top of the column to select all students, then use the drop-down to select the attendance option. The attendance will populate for all of your students. If you need to change the attendance for an individual student for that session, uncheck the box for that student, then select the attendance option. Be sure to click Save Changes when you're finished. Toggle over to Family Workshops to repeat the process for updating the family workshop attendance.